Thought I might be in the naughty corner, my bike's too new. G'day guys and welcome back to another episode. Today we are at the running of the 29th annual Red Scarf Rally hosted by the Illawarra Classic Motorcycle Club. This is the club that we have most of our bikes registered in. Unfortunately, as you probably would have seen, the Sporty's down, the Gold Wing's out. So we're on our Softail. We've been put in the naughty corner. It's a little bit too new for this event. There's a few bikes already here. The event doesn't kick off for a while, but we wanted to get down and film a few bikes coming in because that's a good thing about these bikes is they sound mint. So we got some food cooking over here. So we're gonna grab some breakfast, grab a coffee, and we'll go check out some bikes. No. Morning, Chris.
You're all as thick as a brick, mate. Good to see you.
Nothing's changed.
Jeffrey's just broken down up in the corner and went, I've got a breakdown
Oh
before
no!
we even started.
Already? Oh well, that's
I think
expected.
someone's going to get him.
There'll be more of that.
No, I think Lloyd might be going to get him.
Food smells good. Coffee's hot. Let's dig in.
Yes, bacon and eggs are ready to go.
Perfect. Oh,
Where's
nice
all
old
the people?
CBR. They will come.
Lloyd Webb, my founder, has brought his old aerial out.
No kidding.
He just had a massive operation to remove 3/4 of his stomach.
Wow.
And
Kidding.
he's still here.
What a trip.
All right, we've just registered. We've got a little snack pack. Food smells good. We're gonna go grab some brekkie. Bacon egg. I'll grab 2, please. So hand you these, do we?
Yes.
Perfect. There's 1 and 2. Thank you so much. Starving. Somebody slipped on a little bit too many beers last night. Oh, they slipped on them and they slipped in my mouth and kept slipping. Excellent. Dose that up. Thank you so much for that. Cheers.
Thank you.
Show and shine time. I didn't plan on this, but considering we're parked here, everyone gets a sticker. I'm gonna put it nice and high because I don't want to try and rip it off the lens later. So vote 1, 39. Anyway, if anyone votes for this, they got problems. There's a lot of cool shit here already. G'day, how you doing?
Pretty good.
Phil, nice to meet you.
Richard's brother.
Ah, I heard he's still sleeping in.
Yeah.
Ugh. You want your mud water? Enjoy.
Thank you.
I know it's still pretty early in the day, but so far I think we got possibly my pick for this show. I don't know much about it, but it does look old, but everything just looks so new. Hopefully we can find the owner of this because the paint on this is immaculate. Not only that, look how clean the wheels and everything is. It looks like it could be brand new. Looks like it could be 40 years old. Let's have a walk around it. Even little hits like this with the checks. So, while looking at it, looks like it's a little Suzuki 125 of some sort. Oh, this has to be new. You're kidding. It's got a historic number plate on it. This has been restored. This is crazy. This would be so fun. Nice tall bars on it too. Yeah, we did see a Gold Wing roll in earlier, so we might go check that out. Pretty cool old stock Honda 1000. So these, I think, were 2 models before our GL 1500, and this is the 4-cylinder. So our Gold Wing carries 6 cases of beer. I reckon you could easily squeeze 4 or 5 in this. So they've definitely upped their capacity in the old beer storage compartment. Birds Scarf Rally has 2 rides to choose from, a shorter ride and a longer ride, which I will be doing today. Heading through Jamboree, Kiama, Jirowa, down to 7 Mile Beach, and then up through Berry, returning back for a barbecue and a big feed. What is that? Black.
Red B90.
Redraw.
Red B90.
Nah, no one. Nah, time's up.
Someone that's gone home. Okay, we'll redraw.
Yeah, no, he's gone.
Ooh,
Oh, it's orange.
Orange A14.
Nah, no one. Nah.
Green B1.
You got it?
Yep.
You got it. Oh, he's on a roll now.